Find a comfortable position, sitting or standing. It doesn't matter. Let your body settle without forcing it. Take one slow breath. This moment doesn't require anything from you. The year hasn't started yet, and nothing needs to be decided right now. Bring your attention to where your body feels tight. Don't fix it, just notice it. Now ask yourself quietly, what responsibility is already waiting for me in January? Don't solve it. Don't plan. Just name it. Notice if there's urgency attached to it. Ask yourself, where am I trying to force clarity that hasn't arrived yet? Let that pressure soften. You don't need answers yet. You need orientation. Now ask one final question. When this pressure shows up, what would a calm, responsible version of me do first? Not everything, just the first grounded move. Let that answer exist without acting on it. Take one more slow breath. When you're ready, open your eyes. Carry this orientation with you. January will ask enough of you soon. For now, pause.